Good morning, Allied Moms. I hope you guys are doing good this morning. I'm about to run out the door here to have a little coffee date with a girlfriend, but I just wanted to do a quick little vlog for our encouragement of the day before I went. So I hope you guys have a beautiful Wednesday. And if you're here from iFellowship, welcome. We just love iFellowship and Seeds of Faith. They're a great other connecting point for Christian blogs, super encouraging place. Met a lot of fun mom bloggers and non-mom bloggers there. So today I want to talk about social media, and if you've noticed this week, if you've been around, our questions have all kind of focused around social media and Twitter and Facebook and all of that. And Mandy from Making a Difference, she always has great blog tips about how to increase your everything. And yesterday she had a great blog tips on social media icons on her blog, so I'd suggest heading over there. Her button's on the sidebar here at Allied Moms. But I just want to talk about how you can help Allied Moms become more popular and spread. And really, it's all up to you guys. And the more people that are coming to Allied Moms and hanging out here, the more people that are going to see your buttons when you win, and the more of a community we create. But we need your help. We can't do it by ourselves. So we would love it if you would visit our Twitter page and follow us and interact with us on Twitter. When you see that we're promoting somebody and telling people what a great blog they have, retweet that or make a comment or go visit their blog and then tweet about it and create a community with us on Twitter. And also, every day we ask our questions on Facebook, and we would love for you to also answer on Facebook and start to create a community there. And we promote people on Facebook too. So if you follow us on Facebook, like us on our Facebook fan page, then you can just share whatever we promote. And that would be huge for the people that we're promoting. And it would really help get Allied Moms out there and all these beautiful mommy bloggers. And that's the whole point to all of this, is to get all of your names out there. So that is my little thing for today. And I will cut it off here. I hope you all have an absolutely beautiful day. I love you. Talk to you later. Bye.